In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy coin tricks that anyone can do. So, let's get started. Here's the first and the most easiest coin trick that you can do. So I'm going to take a coin and put it on the table, and then all I'm going to do is basically cover the coin and rub it. And on doing that, the coin actually vanishes from the table surface. Here's the most easiest coin trick of all, and along the video, when we are going to learn other tricks, they are going to get a little bit more tricky and hard compared to this one. So here's what you're going to do. First, you're going to take a mat and place it on top of the table surface because you don't want the coin to make any kind of sound while you're rubbing it against the table surface, or while you're rubbing your hand against the coin. You don't want the coin to make any kind of sound because the sound is going to give away what is actually going on. So now all you're going to do is just place a mat on the table surface and then put a coin on top of it. Keep it like that and then move your hand in a circular motion above the coin. And you can do that in an anti-clockwise manner or in a clockwise manner. But always what you're going to do is whenever you're moving your hand away from the edge of the table, you're basically lifting your hand so that you're not pushing the coin away. But while you're moving your hand towards the edge of the table, you are bringing the coin backwards bit by bit, just like that. That's what's happening under the hand. And at that moment, the coin slides towards the edge and it goes to the edge and it falls down. So this is what goes on. If I can show you with one finger. So this is the mechanism. Okay, so what happens is basically you put the coin on the table and then you start rubbing the coin, and then you actually drop the coin behind the table onto your lap so that it looks like that the coin has actually vanished. This is an exposed view of what it looks like. So the coin just dropped. I can show you with another camera angle. As I rub the hand, the coin actually drops off the table surface, and you catch the coin on your lap. You can just put a handkerchief on your lap so that it's easy for the coin to drop onto the handkerchief without making any kind of noise and without you having to worry that the coin is going to fall onto the ground. This next trick is called the French drop vanish, and it is used to vanish small objects such as coins, just like that. Now this trick is also not that hard. All I have to do is basically hold the coin just like that with one of my hand, and with the other hand I need to reach behind the coin through this gap with my thumb and pretend to grab the coin. So while I actually try to grab the coin, these fingers are going to close around the coin and I'm going to grab it just like that. So I'm going to do that same move, but while these fingers close and cover the coin, behind the cover of these fingers, all I have to do is just drop the coin back onto this hand, and all I have to do is just pretend that I took the coin right over here. And if it is done swiftly, then it will look like that the coin just went into this hand while the coin is actually in this hand. Now this technique, it is called the French drop. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the coin, I'm going to do the French drop, and then I'm going to keep this hand up and look at this hand while this hand secretly drops by the side of my body, and the coin, it actually goes inside my pocket. It does not go inside my pocket. I basically drop it into my pocket secretly while I'm looking at this hand, which is pretending to hold the coin, and I'm keeping this hand up so that nobody looks down while I drop the other coin into my pocket. So when that happens, the coin is gone from this hand. I bring this hand up, snap my finger and open this hand to make it look like that the coin has actually vanished from my hand. Now I can also make the coin appear. Instead of putting this coin inside my pocket, I can also hold the coin like that. I can do the French drop and then the coin goes like that. The coin is right over here, and all I'm going to do is just I'm going to do a quick coin push out just like that, just like this, and make it look like that the coin just appeared from midair. This last one is called the strike vanish. I take a pen and strike the coin just like this. 1, 2, and 3. On the third time, the coin actually vanishes from the view. Now when I open the cap, the coin actually comes out from the pen cap. So this is the trick, and here is how you can also do it. For doing this trick, you need a pen with a pen cap, and you also need a coin. Now for vanishing the coin, all you're doing is basically placing the coin on the fingers, not on the palm. Because if you place the coin on your fingers, it's easy for you to throw the coin up while you're trying to strike the coin. And also the sound comes into a very important play. All you're doing here is you're striking the first two times, and at that time you're also moving both the hands up and down just like that. So what happens is the spectator uh, gets into the habit of seeing the hand movements like that. So on the third time, when you actually throw the coin and you catch it with this hand, they don't suspect anything. So basically, this is what you do. You have the coin right here, and you strike it two times. And on the third time, when you throw the coin up, while doing the hand movement, when you throw the coin up, you basically open the rest of these fingers, leaving the thumb and the index finger, and catch the coin right over here along with the pen. So what happens is the coin comes up and strikes the pen, and immediately, since it happens so fast, it looks like that you strike the coin right over here on the hand and it vanished because the coin was right over here. And from the spectator's point of view, I need to turn my body a little bit this side so that even if I throw the coin and it's visible, it still gets hidden under this motion of the hand, the other hand which has the pen. So basically it looks somewhat like this. 1, 2, 3. So it just does not look like that you did anything over here, or even if you like open these fingers for a split second in order to catch the coin, but it looks like that the coin actually vanished because the sound also comes into play. So you strike the coin, and even the third time when you're actually catching the coin is making a sound that time, but since it's happening so fast, it looks like that you strike the coin right over here and the coin just vanished. Now I'm going to show that motion to you in slow motion. What happens is basically this. I strike the coin once, twice, and on the third time I throw the coin up and grab it with the other hand. Now from here all I need to do is basically palm the coin and grab the pen with the other hand, open the pen cap while the coin is still palmed here, and pretend to throw the coin out of the pen cap, and all I do is basically give this hand a little bit of jerking motion and open these fingers for the pen cap to drop, for the coin to drop, and to make it look like that the coin actually came out from the pen cap just like that. And that's how you can also do this trick. It's a very interesting trick. I have shown this to you a couple of times on my channel, and I hope all these three tricks are very easy for beginners. So if you enjoyed this video, leave it a like and comment and make sure you subscribe. And that's it for this video.